Today we're going to install Bank 1 Sensor 2 oxygen sensor on a 2010 Chevrolet Camaro. Alright, I just made a video of how to remove it, so I have everything prepped here already. Have my jack with my jack stand securing the vehicle, and let's go ahead and install the new oxygen sensor. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and get underneath the vehicle. Go ahead and screw in this oxygen sensor into its place and secure it with a 7/8 wrench. Alright, and we're going to use our 7/8 to secure it. Let's go ahead and tie it down. Perfect. And let's go ahead and connect it to our pigtail connection right in here. Might need both hands. Alright, and there it is. Now what we're going to do is just slide our little safety clip right in there. Alright, and there it is. Let's go ahead and remove the jack stands and drop the vehicle. Then just go ahead and drop the vehicle nice and slow. Let the jack do all the work. Alright, now that we have that done, let's go inside and clear that check engine. Alright, and here we are inside the vehicle. Let's see, let's go ahead and refresh the screen. There it is, still there. Let's go ahead and clear this fault. Perfect. Let's go ahead and refresh it. This is a historic fault. We'll clear it one more time. We have all the monitors to complete. And no more check engine. So now we just gotta drive it and we should be set. And there it is, no more check engine. Sweet. Now we just need to drive it and monitors are set and you're complete. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.